Hello everyone, this is Marky Chupko and you're watching part 9 of my Dice Masters AVX unboxing. Will we finally find a super rare? We'll find out. In our first pack, there's a Nightcrawler common and Hawkeye uncommon. Oh, that's pretty strange. In this pack, oh, wow. So there we go. There is our super rare card. So this is Wolverine, Knucklehead. Very nice. And also we have Wolverine common. So my first super rare card in my life, guys, and I'm very excited. In our next pack, we have Loki, Trickster, and Phoenix, common card. My hands are shaking right now because of that Wolverine. I'm super happy about it because I heard a lot of guys who were buying this stuff online, they didn't get any super rare cards. In our next pack, there's a Ghost Rider common card and Green Goblin rare. Very nice. And finally, for our next pack, we have, oh, that's the dice I like. Nick Fury and Beast. Very nice. So that's it for this video. We have a very good pull in this one because we pulled our ultra rare card. And please stay tuned for more videos. Rate, comment and subscribe. See you guys next time and thank you for watching. Bye.